Even if you don't know how to make any other soup, you see okra soup is one of the easiest and simplest soup to make. Hi guys, let's make okra soup for my sponsor. So for this recipe, I'll be using beef and cow skin. So I went ahead to boil everything using pepper, onion, and non-seasoning cube, of course. Then after a while, I added my stockfish flakes. Then in another pot, I added palm oil, onion, pepper, my non-seasoning cube, crayfish, and allowed it to fry for a little bit. Then I added my meat stock and my already cooked meat. Next, I added some dried prawns, smoked pangler fish, smoked Titus fish, uziza leaf, deshelled periwinkle. Then I stirred it and covered it to come to a boil. Then I added my blended okra and I stirred it, everything to marry each other very well. Then I added my chopped okra and I also stirred it for everything to marry each other very well. And I covered it for it to cook for 1 minute before going in with my ugu leaves. Then I stirred everything to the glory of God. Look at the spot of goodness. Will you be trying this recipe?